Okay, so 5.76 divided by 4. Now there is no 0.1 or 0.01. So our easy things are gone. This one is a difficult one we have to solve. So in our rough work, we will do this. We will complete our work in, and we will write our divisions. So without the division form, I will write 576 and I will divide it by 4. So this one you already know. I will divide it one by one. So 4 ones are 4. I have to read the table of 4 so that 5 or 5 less than 5 should come. So 4 ones are 4 and 5 minus 4 will be 1. Now next value I will put down. It will be 17. So now I will again read the table of 4 up to 17 or its nearest value. So it will be 4 4s are 16. Now I will subtract it. 7 minus 6 is 1. And this 6 I will put down. And it will be 4. 4 4s are 16. Okay. 4 4s are 16. Now you can see that my now I have to put this decimal point, and I will see that this is 2 decimal places from right value I will count. So I will put this one here, 5.76. This is the question. So I will count from right to left that there are 2 values after the decimal point. So here in my answer there should be also 2 values from right to left. Okay. So from right, I will count 2 values. So this is 1 value and this is second value. So after the second value, I will put this. This is the part of your question. So the answer will be 1.44. So next one, I am going to do part C. That is 9.66 divided by 7. So this value I will write first in my division form. 9.66 divided by 10. I will solve 9. First of all, I will write it without the decimal point. So I will now solve it. Divided by 10. Divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7, and 9 minus 7 is 2, and then 26 will be put down. Now let's read the table. 7 threes are 21. So 6 minus 1 is 5, and 6 will be put it down. So it will be 7 8s are 56. Okay, decimal point from 2 values to the right, because in my question this was 2 values from to the right. So from 2 values from the right, I will put it here. So it will be 1.38. Is E part, and this one is 1.38 divided by 6. So the answer is, I have to solve it first. For now, I will put it, write it without the decimal point. 138 divided by 6. Okay, now 6 2s are 12, and 3 minus 2 will be 1, and here I will write 8 here. Okay, now I will write 6 3s are 18. Yes, and my point is here. There are 2 values after decimal point. I have to place this value from right to left. 2 values. I can, for my convenience, I can write 0.23. Okay. So here I will write 0.23. G part 0.64 divided by 4. So here I will just solve it first without decimal point, it will be 64, and here it will be 4. So as you know that 4 ones are 4, and 4 6 are 24. Here it will be, yes, Abdul Wahab, from two values from the right, I will put here decimal point 0.16. It will be 0.16. And next one is I part, and this one is little bit 0.0784 divided by 7. So here I am going to solve it first without decimal point. I will just solve it. So 784 I will write. I will write here 784. Okay, and then I will divide it with 7. So 7 ones are 7, and now I will put 8 down because 7 minus 7 is 0. Again 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7, and here 1, and here 14. It will become, so 7 twos are 14. Okay, it will be 7 twos are 14. Now I have to put the decimal point. So it was here 0, and then it was point. Okay, so there are 4 values from right to the left after decimal point. So what will most of you have to put the decimal point here where I will put, and then write the answer. If you will count from right to the left in question, there are 4 values, 1 2 3 and 4, then there is decimal point. So you have to put your decimal point in your answer also, so that the after the decimal point there should be 4 values. So you will count from right, 1 2 3, and now I will add 0 here because I have to make 4 values here, and then there are 4 values. Then I will put the decimal point, and then I will put 0 one more times, so that my answer will be good. And this answer will be 0.0112. Now next question, this is same. I will do only the alternating parts. Right, 151 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12, and here I will put 3, and here I will put 1, and 4 7s are 28. 51 divided by 4. Okay, so we have put 1 down, and 4 7s are 28, and now the remainder is 3. Okay, the remainder is 3. So what is 3 here, and I will put 0 here. Now again I will read the table of 4 up to 7. 4 7s are 28. Now 2 will be left, and here I will put again one more 0, and that 0 will be put, I will put down. 1, I have to add more and more zeros until my answer has come. Now I will put this point here. Here this decimal point was here, it was 15.1. Okay, and after this decimal point, now there are 3 values. As you can see, there are 3 values. So what will I have to write my answer? So I will count from right, 1 2 and 3, then I will put my decimal point. Okay, so it will be 3.775. So again I will explain this to you. This was a difficult one because I added 2 more zeros. So my value after decimal point, there are 3 decimal points. Okay, After decimal point, there are 3 values. So I have to count my value from right. So I will put my decimal point after 3 values, 1, 2, and 3. Then I will put this 3.775. Okay. So here I will write 3.775. Let me write 15.1 divided by 4 is equal to 3.77. Part C now I will do. C part 15.664 divided by 11. So I will now solve it to write it here because there will be more space. 15.664 and divide it by 11. Okay, so here I will first start from 11. Ones are 11. First value is 15. So sorry, this decimal point you don't need to write. I will write it. You have to put this without the decimal point. 15.664 and divide it with 11. So first of all, start from 11. Ones are 11. And 5 minus 1 will be 4. And 6 I will put down. 11 4s are 44. And 2 is remainder. This 6 I will put down. Next is 11 2s are 22. 6 minus 2 is 4, and then 4 I will put down. So here I will write 11 4s are 44. So this is my complete solution. Now I will have to put this decimal point. So in my question, my decimal point is here 15.664. So after the decimal point, there are 3 values. So it will be 1.424. So answer will be 1.424. Okay. And similar.